Welcome to Toyota Long Mile. Just arrived in today is this 2018 Auris Hybrid. It's XL model. It's a huge spec on the car. It'll be fully listed on our website, which is toyotalongmile.ie. Just go through a few of the features now. So it has a chrome pack, rear chrome bumper guard, chrome boot strip, side strips. Also has the privacy glass on the exterior. Exceptional condition. It has front and rear park sensors as well as the reverse camera. Inside then we have real nice black leather finish. There's a Toyota touchscreen which has the Bluetooth reverse camera, satellite navigation. Also heated seats. Big bonus with this is the panoramic roof. You also have all the latest safety features from Toyota with lane departure. In the back then, plenty of leg room, ISOFIX points for the seats. Hybrid benefits from the low tax band as well. It's €180 per year. Real nice car. Available for a test drive today at Toyota Long Mile. Thank you.